Sogamsan. That's of the super number on the curriculation balancing chemical equation. So the even number on the chemical equation qualification drops capture. That in a mutu chain equation, chemical equation, the reaction shut out. Chesa balancing chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation? Balancing chemical equation. Why do we have to balance a chemical equation? Chemical equation to balance carbon the equation to balance carbon in class 9 we have learned about the law of conservation of mass. And it also applies here in chemical reaction also. Chemical reaction delay manzuki kharchigusuna law of conservation of mass like digi and manzuki samlo di yebar yes. Chesa o dindigi natural laws dige manzu follow machina chemical reaction to takla digi. Chesa the law of conservation of mass di takla de chula mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction nangole mass di sawas hai yomares mass ye devati neus hai yomares mass di ranja de sonne de chesa dindi chila law of conservation of mass. Chesa the nanzuki chemical reaction chik nanglola mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction na khala gores ta di khala gores total mass of the element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of elements present in the reactant. Reactant na yod debeki elements diki total mass tang any product na yod debeki elements diki total mass di any chikpa chas na any on dinde chila manzu khala na manzu ki dinde ki mass chikpa cha dila any law of conservation of mass di any manzu ki duki yes odishu ni tayan di nangnola total mass of the elements present in the reactant total elements present in the reactant nangol ye debe elements sang reactant ye debe atom dige ki thanga da so atom re ki mass dige definite re chesa para ki total mass ti chiko cha reactant nangol ki atom thang product nangol ki atom ki thanga ti chiko na any para ki mass ro shi me chiko cha chesa ho dindi ki mass ti chiko sela any man balancing chemical equation. That didn't give a person chick there. Kasan Manzuki, Kasan, Dingy, Sopten, Manzuki, magnesium, the burn air number bunches, magnesium oxide changes. That they see that magnesium like the atom chip. There magnesium the atom chip. What? Chesa magnesium atom or magnesium element present in the reactant, the number of magnesium element present in the reactant is equal to the number of magnesium present in the product. And here oxygen, this is oxygen molecule. Here we have two oxygen atoms in one oxygen molecule. But in our product, we have only one oxygen atom. That's just there are oxygen atom chip to there are oxygen molecule chip to yana atom need. That take mass chip or reverse chip mardo oxygen chip there manga reactant manga. Chesa that dindi nanzu ke balance me devege dindi ki equation chila skeletal chemical equation. Chesa we have to balance this skeletal chemical equation. Now how to balance? The balance condition balance share method lelo shuju ta 당고 먼저 가르친 거래라 그래서는 화랑기 element 가리 임버 molecule 가리 임버 and 디너시라 먼저 그 product 마 가리 위험이 디 먼저 있으면 이게 화랑기 전도고라 딱딱딱 돼요 element in elemental form 랑자 되어래 and 이거 compound in the compound form 랑자 we can never change a compound 먼저 compound 먼저 change to compound compound change it forms a new substance that is no more that particular compound chaya pena miji ke tangi na midi ke lapat tuk che kiyo na midi ke tang re marwa just michiketan mi gandas lewa dinang shi compound ji nganzu ge soela compound gandas tu bu ma shi compound tu be ma le 제가 어디 먼저 생각을 약간 이해하고 또 많이 해버리지나 아니 chemical equation balance 있잖아요. 눈좀 맞죠 어디 보시오. compound 가리 것이고도 element 가리 것이고도 그 건디 reactive 건디 규로도 되게 쉬워. 엔 디기 강라 다 먼저 내가 magnesium도 내가 oxygen도 내가 magnesium oxide 제가 다 이 balance 시기 있어. 다 chigi lase pugu chigi magnesium the balance chigi is lane dela MgO2 skalsha ka the balance redo inege nanzugi dela khachire sidusane numege ta mi chigi tangi is mi digi sobu dela laga sawa chuksana and mi ganza shabres mara numbe dinde gave yo laga sawa chu yo mar dino chi chene compound yi deba de gyuro tang cho mare na yeke chita 대신 라이 깨졌지 되는다 compound gyurudang cho 말이다 magnesium oxide 라이 컨디션에 띵이랑 안쪽에 magnesium 코랑게 valency 2 oxygen 코랑게 valency 2 valency 니디 아니 코랑게 직보차를 전에 they forms a neutral compound that is MgO 다 내가 charge 열에서 요 말이지 compounds they are neutral atoms they are neutral 이게 완전히만 저렇게 하고 되잖아 봐. 제가 이게 그도 있는 neutral. 딱 먼저 neutral 말은 if they lose electron or if they gain electron, then they form a charge. 그래서 ions, cations, anions. And these cations and anions they react to form a new compound. 제가 compound their form 지사교 D and 제가 먼저 그 유로당수나 아니 배나 the magnesium oxide MgO the MgO2 라 되지 요만 제가 디 개베디 norms balancing chemical equation 나가서 도션 잡아다지나 norms 제 디세운 신고에 직체 디네 이버딜라 다 먼저기 다 밸런스해라 오나 먼저라 탑시 가려야 we can place a number as a coefficient 제가 먼저기 number 지 place 지초를 해야지 다 디투 쇠라 투 치고 쇠라 니기 데라 coefficient 디 number 잡죠 magnesium oxide compound 먼저 그램 가질 내내 magneum 가질 내내 먼저라고 해요 제가 어디 먼저기 compound 다가랑 magneum 가질 내만 빼나샤샤는 게 짬바다나 짬바디 애니 패트코라 매우 스웨진 만다시키오는 되게 많아 짬바디 magneum 가질 내만에 라이데 먼저 들어와 도마 강내내래 아니 가에 다가 한내내 가르내는 거죠 되는 시체 magneum 제가 magnesium oxide like O2 swell 2 the there jamsuna 2 can multiply to magnesium as well as oxide atom the 2 magnesium atom down 2 khachasuna oxygen atom chaswa the product number ni cha magnesium ni cha bare oxide ni cha oxide ni cha the oxygen atom ni khora ni jigo jipache 2 oxygen atom down 2 oxygen atom ni jigo jipache 딱 말하자면 magnesium 될 디차서 magnesium 될 다음에 이 될 magnesium 잡기는 잡초를 왜 잡초를 말해야지 이 잡초를 말에 가르치니 magnesium 될 metal의 모레큐를 지쳐 말해 그래서 이 잡초를 말해 그래서 이게 결례 거와 잡을 수도 전에 가리 잡에 이게 넘버 잡에 밸런스 있어 넘버 잡에 때 아주 coefficient 넘버 잡초 coefficient number capture then 2 잡아다지나 다른 저기 magnesium 2 there oxygen 2 oxygen atom 2 magnesium atom 2 right that 2 라 되는 가지고 there that 장가 지고 직차 total number of atoms or total number of elements in the reactant that there product number 같이서 magnesium atom ni oxygen atom ni 차서 and 저도 전에 any 같이서 reactant the product number element की ढाका दिखे चिको छासवा 제가 वो दिन की ढाका सोए चिको मानसुकी balancing chemical equation नंबर है 제가 다 당구 들으니 खाला이 ना element खारी मतलब योमाना दिने compound खारी मतलब योमाना ता दिकी coefficient देला नंबर क्या चाहिए यानी यूरो तांगशो लेज यानी यूरो तांगजो दे coefficient की नंबर दिके छामा in the reactant or in the product Ticket some penachina, there are 2, there are 4, there are 2, you know, any concept cancel cheat. Cancel cheat in simplest formula, simplest ratio, and catch it. Just a whole deep and good to the simple shackway. Concept the chemical balancing chemical equation like D balance share in your concept is some atom in element in compound in Karini, Oti Tagarangare. Any answer you do not die the coefficient de la China, tell a number add or divide, or the Karchina. Oh, the Zotaman did the name answer person Shimbachina. And the balancing chemical equation like D, Nanzu the balance share and Nanzu the Ramsa, Yeg, and the Teshi Kava the Kalanzo, Shen to be the Kabolete, and the Kaligation Shen to Kuli, Lelo Pen. Penachashana, iron reacts with water to form correct iron oxide and hydrogen. Iron G, then onto the chemical equation quantity, iron G, water into reaction. Water into reaction, Nanzula, iron oxide, tongue, and Nanzul Haradulana, hydrogen reduce, Nanzul Haradusna, hydrogen reduce. Then you get the Jidus and there, Captonga Shelga, catching a there number to get place shown. And the number place chichene, and ye catchosna, chemical equation chip, balance edge. That the balance should be the not to step even on to Kariki, Tanguti on to the Hagosa, the iron of the Fe3, iron of the Fe3, water of the H2O. There are two hydrogen peroxide and the compound Shimas Shasa. So there are Tachuoma, just a water ranja shower. And the D compound the Tagaranja shower. Fe3O4 like the Ranja shower, any hydrogen like the Ranja shower. The Ranja shop was Chetula, near Harkayana, brackets a box not die. The Kariso Suere, Nanzuki, compound, but the element, but the Hakoach. Chitangi, chemical equation, Chitus and it, they get Boston's Gav Reverse, Gav Mare. Taina, the Jungi, and Boston. That balance here, that. Table dinangola, tango dilla, Kadishamina, dinangola elements kazu yuba tisati, elements. Elements. Then Anzuki della reactant. Reactant. Then product. The elements can do elements are also iron. Iron. Fe element iron. The iron there are to do the equation dinanola iron chick doos reactant dinanola iron chick doos. The there are product nanola iron has to do product nanola iron thangati sum. Yeah, and iron balance rate balance marshas. Dine the hydrogen kazutus. Dela hydrogen kazutus. Reactant nangola, dine the brother reactant va. Reactant nangola hydrogen kazudulana, hydrogen nidus. Dine matching with product nangola hydrogen kazudulana, hydrogen nidus. Yeah, that dine anzula dela kardulana oxygen. Oxygen there oxygen kazudu reactant nangola oxygen chikdus. The product nangola oxygen kazudu na shidus. Chesa the equation did balance share. This is skeletal equation where iron reacts with water to form iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Again, this condition is not a normal condition. The normal condition la iron cannot react with water. Right? Okay, Jeza. But here, in this condition, iron is reacting with water and there is a formation of iron oxide and then there is evolution of hydrogen gas. Now in our reactant, we have 1 iron, but in the product, we have 3 iron, which is not balanced. The balance of the okay, hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen in the reactant and 2 hydrogen in the product. They are same. It is balanced. And then regarding oxygen, there is only 1 oxygen atom in reactant and there are 4 oxygen atom in product. Now we have to balance this chemical equation. How we are going to balance this chemical equation is just a heat and trial method. This method is called as a heat and trial method. The particular number lu, digital number lu, and tire. The equation balance schedule just go to the product and select the largest number of largest number in the sense the compound which has large number of atoms. We have to select that one. Compound chi imbala konang atom thanga mangbu yude yudi thangshue ditse. Di thangbu balance na any shabadi balance du gure. That the balance la thanda manju gi dela iron sum do oxygen sheet was. There are 3 iron and 4 oxygen. Therefore, now to balance this oxygen, you can put 4 here. There are sheet of na, Karela sheet of so reactant na. Reactant na dichi gitsal na, near Kartel so na, there are sheet of so. Now, number of oxygen over here and number of oxygen over here is balanced. The Ramshi mewa balance shas. Just there you know tang tupse, you will tang motum na yakshuche. Oh, that oxygen balance shalta. Now, hydrogen tata. Hydrogen del yuachim. Taji hydrogen balance iba. The hydrogen yuachim 4 into 2, that is 8 hydrogen over here. We have 8 hydrogen. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. We have 8 hydrogen here in the reactant. And we have to make that also. Dige so just place 4 here. Again it is into 4, that is equal to 8. Now we are balanced with hydrogen, we are balanced with oxygen. Oxygen balance shots and hydrogen balance shots. Then iron there are 3. 3 iron is and there are 3 lushana iron diam and kachasana balance shots into 3, that is equal to 3. The iron sum 3 iron in the reactant, 3 iron in the product. 4 oxygen in the reactant, 4 oxygen in the product. Same. Okay, then 8 hydrogen in the reactant and 8 hydrogen in the product. Now equation is already balanced. Look at the equation. With help of this table, you can balance this chemical equation. This is one example. Okay. Again, let me give you another example. Another example, say, carbon monoxide. You are going to write down, represent carbon monoxide by CO, both are capital. If you write down carbon monoxide in form of this, then it is not a carbon monoxide but cobalt. It becomes an element called as a cobalt. Cobalt chatu. Says a khatu ine nganzo ke chemical formula is G, it's a capital letter element is a capital letter which is never symbol. Okay. Now carbon monoxide, when it reacts with, when carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen, when this is exposed to hydrogen, we are going to get methanol. It is called as a methanol. We are going to get methanol. And here atmospheric temperature is 340. That is the pressure here. Okay. Chesa, the equation chiba. The equation di nangola. Again, what we have to do is just place all those number of elements in the reactant and in the product. We have to change this. Here we have a carbon, and in the reactant there is only one carbon, and in the product there is only one carbon. Say, now in the reactant we have oxygen, one oxygen here. Okay, then in the product also we have one oxygen. Okay, now hydrogen. We have two hydrogen here in the reactant, and we have 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hydrogen over here in the product. You are not going to multiply this with this. Multiply chigmata. Oh, dine hydrogen sumgal, the hydrogen kyundum hydrogen kazu to sumgal jikena she is. Kyundum mantul kazu yorsina hydrogen she is. All those. That also now equation is not balanced because of this hydrogen. Hydrogen yunzegi equation balance marshas. Hydrogen yunzegi equation balance marshas. That the equation balance condition chigi is. That equation balance chita ki method dila hit and trial method. Path number chiglu to number chiglu onto that. Right? That oxygen ni chigwa the sangma chigwa gyuro khawa tangulu gyuro der tangulu ulaka. There gyuro tangna carbon da oxygen ni chal gyuro do was. If I place number over here, then it will change the number of all these atoms. Therefore, now stick to this. We can make this, there are total of 4 hydrogen over here, and if we multiply this with 2, we are going to get 4 hydrogen here. There are 2 capsule hydrogen shichas. The equation is now balanced. Equation balance chasa. Reactant la carbon cheek, product la carbon cheek. Reactant la oxygen cheek, product la oxygen cheek. Reactant la hydrogen she, product la hydrogen she. Equation balance chasos. This is how we balance the equation. Balancing chemical equation ke example Subodhi. Okay, Subodhi ansama. We all are very familiar with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, and we are going to get glucose. Glucose, and there is a evolution of oxygen and water. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis. Okay, now to balance this equation, here we have to place numbers over here as a coefficient. Coefficient is number type. Madanyala, make this table ready with yourself, and here write down the number of atoms over here in the reactant. Reactant atom khatu carbon, carbon khatu tu chik, product la carbon khatu tu carbon two. Yeah, reactant la oxygen khatu tu ni gan chik sum. Reactant la oxygen khatu tu na sum. Product of oxygen 2, you get good. Product of oxygen good. Okay, the hydrogen has. Hydrogen reactant la khajudu la ni tu product la hydrogen chungni ne choksum chipshi. There are chipshi tu. Is this equation balanced? No. This is a skeletal chemical equation. Now to balance this equation, again we are going to use heat and trial method. As I said, you first check to the largest compound, that is glucose, instant energy food. The glucose the compound cheshu the thangu delta. The number there carbon true to hydrogen chungni to oxygen true to. That the use there are hazudusna carbon hazudusna true to. There are carbon true yuna there. Any anzuki reactant number carbon true stab there. There are two steps now. This one is multiplied with 6, that is equal to 6. Now carbons are balanced. Carbon balance shasa. Then you know the this hydrogen and oxygen both are here together over here. Niche del yamdu. That Eurojic town so no Euro, niche Euro to go that. That's just also you do the there are hydrogen chungni. Chungni ganga there needs joksum chipshi. Hydrogen chipshi do. There are hydrogen ni mando budwala. Chipshi. And they got oxygen sometime. Oxygen there are hajutula two gun they get some dom units oxygen gucha to us. Oxygen gucha to there are Eurotangan and some Euro to us. Then there are Eurotang watch. Under Eurotang metas. We are not going to make any changes over here on this largest compound. Now we are going to make changes on other, say, oxygen. Now we have 6 into 2, 12 oxygen over here. 6 into 2, 12 oxygen. 6 into 2, 12 oxygen, plus we have 1 oxygen here. We have 1 oxygen over here. 12 plus 1. Okay, we have 6 oxygen here. And then we have 2 oxygen here and 1 oxygen. Now, to balance this, let me place 6 over here. Heat and trial method. You took there oxygen has 12 chaso, did the oxygen 12 chasa. That 12 chajo there is 6 there. There are 6 dot. 12 chajo there are oxygen 6 to there are young use this two. Right? Chesa niki ya young use there are niki 6 ki multiply tam. The oxygen kazu there 6 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 6 that is equal to 24. Oxygen kazu na 24 chasu. There are oxygen kazu 12. 12 gonna the oxygen the young 24 so there are 12 ki multiply tam. That 12 ki multiply tam the oxygen has 12 plus 12 24 chas. Chesa oxygen has there has 12 plus 12. And the also has chas 24 chas. Oxygen balance chas. Oxygen has there 12 check. Any product like oxygen has chas mara oxygen 24. Oxygen 24 there 24 oxygen balance chas. Now we don't have to balance hydrogen because it is already balanced. As we don't have place to change this. There are to change some. There are hydrogen has 24 those. In our reactant we have 24 hydrogen. Now see in the product, check in the product. That is 12 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus here 6 into 2. That is equal to 12 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That is equal to 24. Chesa, we have 24 hydrogen over here in the product. This is how we balance a chemical equation. Chemical equation is a balance sheet. It is Chesa heat and trial method. Run it on the balance sheet. And the balancing chemical equation and it's all the super